All right, welcome to class. We're going to be making this design today, and the design is a very beautiful one. It's unique. The fabric used for this design is the mesh net fabric. It's a very stretchy one. It stretches a lot. Some people used to double theirs. Well, if you want to double yours, it's fine, but I did not double mine. I just cut it a single piece. All right. What do we need else? We need a needle and thread, a seam. We need our scissors. We also need a tape rule. Let me get that. Okay, so that's that. Let's get started. Let's start with the body of the turban. This is the body, the base. So for the measurements of this body, let me get my tape rule. I use the measurement of 13 inches wide. The edge circumference is 13, meaning when you open it, it's going to be 26. But please note, you can use 12. I told you it's very stretchy, so you can use 12 so that when you open it, it will be 24. I used by 13. I actually used 13 by 13, or you would rather say 26 wide by 13. So I hope you understand. So that's for the body of the turban. Now for the pleats, the band, the V band. I'm using a V band, and I'm using 13 also. 13 I used, yes. It's really stretched. 13 by, look at it, that's 13 inches. I want you to see it very well, okay? 13 by 4. But because it's on fold, I'm having 2. So I folded it into 2 like this, see? If it's open, it's 4. When you fold it like this, it will be 2. So I actually cut 4 pieces because my V plate is going to be double. That's for that. The next thing is our flare or your gather or whatever you call it. I will be using the measurement 7 inches by 30. So this is 30 long. You can cut 31 so that when you fold in, when you sew in, it will go to 30. It's this fabric can even, okay, see, I'm having 30, okay, and please notice on fold, so I'm having 7, which means when you open it, it will be 14. That's that. So 30 by 7 on fold, 7 on fold, meaning when you open it, it will be 14. So I sew it round. Let me show you. Okay, you can use any applique of your choice. Let me just show you what I mean so you don't get confused about the flare. For example, let me show you. This is your long 30. Let me say this is your long 30 by 14. Now when you now fold into 2, it will be 7. So you sew like this. Just see, you sew like this, then you turn out, then you get this. So that's that. Thank you. All right, let's get straight to sewing. So for the V band, we're going to cross like this. Just pick your 2 fabric and cross to give you a V shape. And once you get the V shape, you sew down. You just sew it down. Okay, you sew it down. You sew it straight down. Yeah, so that's what that's. Sorry, I didn't start from the beginning. I just wanted to secure that part. So you also sew this side. You can use a needle to or your pin to secure the center first before doing this. Anyhow, you've sewed it. So I'll repeat the same thing for the other V band. You know it is double. Please, this is for the sake of practice. Try and weave your job, because once you can't give your client this, you need a neat finishing inside. Take notes. Now for the V plate, you place it. Let the center be well centralized. Like let the V parts face each other. Like let there be a very good alignment. Okay, let it align very well. Then you take to your machine and you sew down. I also take notes that when you're sewing down, make sure you capture the one down. Make sure you sew the one down, so it won't look as if you're just sewing your turban. So as you're sewing it, make sure you capture the one down. and that's that. So we just sewing, and you see, I'm trying to check on that, right? Yeah, I'm trying to check on that. So keep doing this. Okay, I'm trying to check. I hope it's so. Yes, it speaks very well. So that's that for the V band. The next thing for us to do is to get this the base. When you get the base, get the center. You notch the center, and you match it with the V band center. Match it at same. See, trace the center. You match it. Use your pin to secure it. Okay, use your pin to secure it, and you trace it down to the edge, to wherever you want to start sewing from. Once you've done that, put it on your machine and you sew down. I don't want to say I don't know how to sew this part. That's why I'm actually showing all this.